Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing Murder Mystery V. I kinda am trash at this game, so I'm sorry. Yeah. Probably gonna make a live video tomorrow at 6 or at 7 a.m. because I don't have time later on at school. Then, if you guys don't know, I'm gonna do an introduction later on and introduce myself and things I do, because like, if you guys didn't know, I play softball, and tomorrow it's my first game, so yeah, I'm really scared. So anyways, let's get on to the video. Let's see what I get. Oh, innocent.
日本語は
Bummer.
主に日本国内や日本人同士の間で使用されている言語である。
143625221.
Oh no. Really? I'm sorry guys, I'm really trash at this game, so if I die, yeah. No, don't go away. But they're gonna get killed. They're over there. See? Oh my god. No, I told you I was trash at this game. Guys, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Hey guys, I don't know what the internet is. Never mind. Okay. Guys, I miss our classic faces. Why'd you make us blank? I took my face thingy on so it can't move anymore. But why did you do that, Roblox? At least just let voice chat kids have that. Like, they can chat and their mouth is moving. No. I love movies. I used to be so good at this game, but I haven't played in 2 months. Or maybe even more. Longer than that. Yay, we did it. Oh, I thought I was gonna get a roll. Hope I get victories. Like, is that? Let's close the door on random people. Sorry. Bummer. I got stuck. Oh, so why do I keep getting stuck like I'm trash at the game or new? I'm not new.
Добро пожаловать.
I am Gabi Madu. 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 Gabimaru. I am Gabimaru. I am Gabimaru. I am Gabimaru. I am.
Go back down here. Get an
日
AFK.
本語は主に日本国内や日本人同士の間で使用されている言語である。
143625221.
Is that... No, he left. Well, I'm only playing 3 rounds, so yeah, this is my last round. And if there's an AFK murder, I'm gonna crash out. Yeah, guys, I don't play for that long. I don't like playing too long. It annoys me. Playing too long it annoys me. Both were trying to go in with me. And isn't as usual. I feel suspicious about that girl. That girl is giving me the sus treatment. Oh, we know we already got murdered. A bacon girl again, Eden. Yo, why you coming too close? Yay, no AFK murder. Okay, he's really trash at the game too. Not gonna lie. No. Is he stupid or something? Okay, alright, okay. I'm sorry guys, I quit. So please don't be mad at me. Okay, but before that, let's go through every outfit. that it looks reasonable. Okay, we do not want to see that. What happened to your face? You call that milk? Wow. Okay, interesting outfit. Okay, let's not look at that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.